everyone, welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of cosmetic brands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you think that this content is useful for you. Today we are talking about Covergirl Lash Perfection Volumizing Mascara. Here in my hands I have color number 210, which is black brown, but this particular volumizing mascara comes in more colors, so you can find the best color you prefer. As I've already mentioned, this is a volumizing mascara, thus we could take a closer look at the brush. So it's a special type of brush that will help you to get that volume on your lashes. This is not waterproof, removes easily with soap and water. What's really great about the technology this mascara uses is that it individually wraps each lash for the plumped look without clumping. The way you use it, you need to discard the bottle cap, replace with the brush, and close cap completely before you first use. As a safeguard purity, always remember to really never share the personal cosmetic items with anybody and replace the mascara every 3 months. Don't forget to cap tightly and always replace if the appearance changes. On the back of the package, you could see the full instruction on the way you use it, including the safety guard I've just mentioned and the ingredients. Thank you so much for your attention. Stay tuned for more videos of this new format. Don't forget to like this video. All the best.